Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A96, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I set up my fingerprint here a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock our device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this unlock method is and does it works here. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the fingerprint scanner works here really fast. We can unlock the device so just less than in 1 second. That's really good result for this unlock method. And also, as you can see, I just slightly touch the fingerprint scanner here. So I just don't press the power key button. I just really do this with a simple touch. So I suggest you to try this unlock method. If you don't like, for example, passcodes, pin codes, you can try the fingerprint unlock, but don't forget that the fingerprint unlock is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.